Well, Ivy Preparatory Academy was founded in 2007. We are the first Georgia state public charter school for girls.
My name is Derek Bolton. I'm the Director of Operations for Ivy Preparatory Academy. I have previous charter school experience in operations.
I don't think anybody was prepared for a pandemic, especially the school system.
With the COVID restrictions and with the rates, the infection rates in our area being as they are,
we definitely have been following what some other counties have done with their reopening plans.
Atlanta as a whole and Georgia in general, we've seen where other schools have opened up on time or a little bit delayed, had students come into the building, and then ultimately within a week or two end up having to shut down.
Ivy has done everything it can to make sure that we have every safety precaution in place.
The resounding sentiment from our parents that they were concerned about the safety of their scholars and their children and didn't want them primarily to come into the school without a very secure plan.
Even right now with visitors coming in, we regularly tempt them. We ask their questions. We have a health screening. Masks are required to enter this building. Thus
far, we've had our nurse to kind of be the lead in our charge in an attempt to keep our building and our staff safe.
We definitely did not want to put our dear nurse Sharit in harm's way. So the research to find a thermal scanner was forefront for us, and luckily we were able to start a great partnership with TempDefend.
Step closer to 4 feet. Step closer to scan complete.
Yep, and in real time this is recording statistics as well. I verified with my colleague that on the back end it's seeing statistics in real time. Okay.
We appreciate the fact that we are able to customize the system.
I think it's more important now than ever.
There are a lot of features that the scanner has that are very helpful to us that a regular thermometer does not.
Step in front of the scanner and have their temperature taken automatically.
You can choose between thermal scanning or facial view. It is password protected.
There's a touchless temperature scan where in real time the temperatures are logged into a database.
We have a version of this that actually automates the questions, and you have to answer the questions before it even gets to the screen.
Okay. The way we have our system set up in here at Ivy Prep, our first point of contact will be the TempDefend system, and then it is a good 10-12 feet away from the first person who a visitor would meet.
I'm happy because it keeps you from having to come and get that close to everybody, and then, you know, maybe the only thing you're actually doing is asking their name.
Okay.
Or that kind of thing.
I'm extremely excited to kind of lessen her chance of exposure by having a TempDefend system in our school.
We also can have it ask the questions, like the 4 questions that you have to ask.
Okay.
As we kind of move into a more paperless society, so to speak, and certainly hands-free and touch-free interaction, I think that this kind of falls in line with it, and I'm definitely confident that it will help our staff be a little safer as we navigate and move and work through our building.
Within the portal you'll see the temperature read, and you'll see a pass-fail. And then if the system does register a high temperature, you can have it kicked to an email address.
We have this new system in place. We're excited. I know that our administrative team is very excited. I am excited about this new system. I actually can't wait to go stand in front of it, get my temperature scanned.
Thank you.
I'm good to go.
We have just the CDC,
General information.
yep, the CDC general information right now, but if you wanted to customize anything else, you definitely could.
Okay.
we will certainly be alerting all of our friends, all of our staff, and all of our families to our new system.
Scan complete. Thank you.
Oh, that's awesome.